All right, so I just found out some very interesting news. My father-in-law actually made his own wine this year. What? So, it's somewhere in this pantry. Baba, you want to show me? Wow. Okay, let's give this a try. Okay, here goes nothing. Wow, that's actually really good. Is another one? Is it different?
I think.
All right, so he has a second one for me to try that he thinks is going to be a little bit different than the first one. Gumbe. Oh, I like
Different?
that one. Yeah, I like this one better.
It's different.
Yeah. They're both sweet.
Yeah.
This one is sweeter and stays sweet. This one has kind of a small bitter ending.
你尝这个怎么样？是不是这个好喝？就这个啊，喝这个。
So what do you think?
This grapes
I know.
is from that.
Yeah. Can you imagine what we could do if we get the vineyard up in the mountain house going? We could make real wine.